So, sir, regarding lang sa Olympics, so nasabi nyo kanina na you're leaving with the Philippine team. So, kamusta po yung preparation kaya nila?
We're excited. Sa day before, that will be 21 Friday. We'll be having together with ICE and other sponsors, we'll be having the send-off, together with, of course, with the President. So with that, after that, paalis kinabukasan ng mga flight is very early, 7, so we have to be in the airport at 4, something like that. So then diretso na kami sa training camp. That's in Metz, city of Metz, La Moselle district, 1.5 hour by train.
So all together na po doon sa training camp na yon?
Yung nasa Philippines lang na manggagaling ng Philippines. Kasi yung iba galing Spain, Japan, US, doon na sila tatakbo.
So sir, sa palagay niyo ba kaya natin sungkitin ang gold ngayon for this year?
Ang dami natin dadasal, so...
Sir Reyes Codero from One Sports. I just wanted to ask, since we are here at the MOA signing, how did this partnership go about and what was the process like leading up, of course?
Yes, for ICE, since they're the official partner then International Olympic Committee is the official ice cream. So we have to welcome and then accept them as our partner then, just like other sponsors, for official partner ng Philippine Olympic Committee.
So sir, message na lang po sa ating mga kababayan na yan, patuloy na sumusuporta sa ating mga Filipino athletes.
Yes, supportahan natin ang mga atleta nating sasabak sa Paris Olympic. Supportahan din natin ang mga sponsors na tumulong sa atin.
Hi, Ms. Shireen, One Sports. The decision making like for you to get into the sporting world as one of the partners also for the Olympics?
Well, si ICE naman has always been an advocate of healthy lifestyle. So definitely we are eager to support the sports. And then, of course, we also wanted to inspire yung mga ating mga future generation athletes. So definitely isa rin yun sa aming mga mission. That's why we also partnered with our POC and also supported the Olympics. And syempre, of course, when we gather sports, diba, we always bring happiness. So similar to the mission of ICE, which is also to bring happiness sa ating mga consumers.
Is there anything that our Filipino fans, our viewers could expect from ICE come the Olympics?
Well, definitely this is a long-run partnership. We are looking naman at the end of the year with the partnership with POC. So hopefully we are planning to cook some activities for the people.
And the message also to the Filipino fans?
Well, definitely we are very, very excited about this. Not only about the partnership, but of course yung ating Olympics, this coming Paris Olympics 2024. Kasi maraming mahuhusay na atleta na sasabak sa ating Olympics. So talagang laban Pilipinas.
Yeah.
No, I'm from the media, ma'am. Sorry. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. You're from Agata?
Yes. Anong publication?
Ma'am, Chinese commercial news.
Chinese. Okay, yeah. Hindi, ano pa rin?
Yes,
Jenny ba? Hindi.
no, Jenny's from, i-edit ko naman to, okay lang. Jenny's from United Daily News and I'm from Chinese Commercial News. Oo. Ma'am, kasama ko kanina si Virgie.
Ayun, oo nga.
Oo.